For me, one of my favourite things about camping is that first half an hour of the day, when you get up with the light, everything else is quiet, everything else is still asleep, and you just come and lean on a gate, have a cup of coffee, and have a chat with the cows. It's proper, isn't it? When Paul tries to act all laid back and casual, look, he's lined his pans up in size order. That's how, let's call it organised, shall we? I finally mastered the art of getting in and out of my tent without getting everything wet, and packing up my stuff from inside the tent. I used to have to get everything out and pack up, whereas now I can work from the inside out. Pretty skilled. The footpath runs right through the middle of his campsite, so we can pop up and hopefully see some more of his animals, but we've already seen black prints. Got to leave early so we don't get to go and the goats and the rabbits. Hello donkeys! Oh, this looks like a Suffolk punch.
Last day.
17 miles to Chipping Campden and Harry.
We're now on the Winchcombe Way, which will meet us back up with the Cotswold Way. What's wrong, Paul?
Spiky.
Use your words. Spiky foot pain.
Spiky squelchy scabby foot smell pain.
Oh dear. Feels like we're in the Cotswolds, doesn't it? So what have we learned about the Cotswolds?
It is not a cheesy place.
Very little cheese. Very nice. Little cottages. Very nice gardens. It's very hilly.
Countryside, rolling hills, farmland.
Lots of animals. Middle England.
I've never walked 20 miles in a day in my life, and I've done it 4 days on the trap. I feel alright. Maybe not mentally.
I always think that if I walk for long enough, I'll end up thinking really profound philosophical things. I don't, it's just the same old nonsense. And I want silly things.
Broadway, where you need £1 million
To fit in.
made to feel really welcome by an Ace burger joint called Flipside. We were asked whether we had all this kit to walk up this one hill, which will likely take us about 20 minutes. And whilst they know about the Cotswold Way, they don't know where it starts or where it finishes or what it's about.
How bastardly hard it is. Talking to you and I got lost, and I've lost Paul and Amy. I'm just going to go this way. My GPS doesn't work, so if I am lost, then it's another adventure, isn't it? We are just walking into Chipping Campden. We've got a 3.5 mile stretch.
What's been your favourite bit?
Start of day 2, as we first came up over those hills around Wootton Under Edge. That was delightful.
We've had to wait till day 5 to get those chocolate box, quintessentially British countryside villages.
Sort of place you imagine bunting and festivals and they celebrate the Jubilee and that sort of thing.
Harry considered his trip home just yesterday.
Yeah, and realised it's very hard to get from Chipping Campden to the Isle of Wight using only public transport. Going via Bath because your house key's in Bath, which is a hurdle that I added. We're just coming into Chipping Campden and I think we're done. Cotswold Way, 3 words, go.
Big fucking hills.
Next walk, Holland.
does it makes it harder to walk, I think, no? Because you're going over them.
Can't go round them. Can't go over them.
Got to go through them.